First of all, as I told you, we don't have managers. And we don't have managers for a reason. Because people don't need to be managed. That comes from a very old track history of how businesses were run. If you build the right infrastructure and systems, that they don't need it, and they need a coach, someone who helps them through the issues and the problems that are there. Yeah. So a couple things have to happen in parallel. One, you have what you have within the group, and the understanding is to get their awareness of what that means today and what needs to change, right? At the same time, once you have that awareness, you're constantly hiring other people behind it, is looking for the right soft-sided skills, the right ability for analysis, the right ability to not only play as a team, but to be able to not be the person that gives the direction, but the person to have that coaching conversation and allow the team to morph. So you've got two folds. In this group, you can develop them because they have skill set. And as we said, everybody has skill set. All you have to do is start the journey of the conversation, start the journey of the learnings that they will have through the interactions, and they will start to inspire curiosity of how do I make it better. So you have the flip side that we always talk about. What's that mean for me? Where do I go when I'm done? What happens when I work myself out of a job? You know, I'm in the consulting and have been for years now. I consult. I don't consult to come hang out with a company and just hang out with a company. I consult to transfer everything I know so that I can go do something else, right? If I do it just to consult, just to be there and have them grow, but be dependent, then I'm not being respectful to anybody about all the learnings I have. So, you know, that's that dilemma that we will always have to go through, that business is a complex adaptive system. It has to change. Technologies change, information flow is changing, all other things are changing. Well, how we build our businesses is going to have to change as well.